Hey everyone, so today we will automate Lemlist to RTO. We have campaigns running in Lemlist for LinkedIn, and when there is a reply on LinkedIn, we will analyze that reply. If it is positive, we will create an update person in RTO, and also we'll create a task. So here we have the automation that is based on the trigger that is about to watch activities in Lemlist, and then we have a filter. If the activity is actually LinkedIn replied, it will proceed analyzing start analyzing the result in ChatGPT. So here is some prompt. You'll receive an email reply. This is the reply mapped, and analyze the tone and intent of the mail and determine if it is positive. So we'll get the data in the form of JSON, and we are parsing the JSON here. And then we have a filter, like if it is a positive reply, it should create and update a person in RTO. That is very simple. We'll put the matching attribute as email. If it didn't match, it will just create it with that name and email. And then we are also creating the task in the last module with the help of the URL and API key that I can't share by opening this module. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, and I will have another automation based on Lemlist to RTO. So watch my next video. Thank you.